Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the filter cap on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace the filter cap on this model of a refrigerator, we simply need to remove the old one first. Now, typically you can pull that filter out without disconnecting the water supply. However, if there is a malfunction in the check valve, you may have some water on your floor. So if at all possible, turn off the water supply to the refrigerator first. Once we've done that, we'll just turn that cap a quarter of a turn and remove the filter and cap assembly. Simply grasp the front of that cap, rotate it counterclockwise a quarter of a turn, pull the cap and filter assembly out. Now, if the old cap is still attached to your filter, we simply need to slide that off and discard it. Then just position the new cap over the end of the filter, slide it on until it's centered, and then we're ready to reinsert it into the refrigerator. Insert it all the way, cap in a vertical position, rotate it a quarter of a turn clockwise, and your repair is complete.